Merry Christmas, guys. This is a late post. Yes, but I made my black rum cake. So I'm still putting it out so you guys can have it for the rest of the holidays. So enjoy the holiday, guys, and stay safe. Here I saw the process of making the cake. I mixed the video clip of me creaming the sugar and the butter, but that's just the sugar and butter. So you're going to cream it until it's light and fluffy, and then you're going to add your eggs one at a time. Feel free to remove the eyes. Some people don't, some people do, but I'm going to add lime juice and lime zest to mine. Yes. So just add the eggs one at a time, beat interval, and add your blended fruits, your browning, and your vanilla, and set that aside while you work on the dry ingredients. And I'll come back then. For the dry ingredients, we're going to need flour, baking powder, salt, nutmeg, cinnamon, allspice, and you mix that aside and sieve. And you're going to add this to the wet ingredients in small batches while fold in the mixture together. And your oven should be preheating at this time, and your baking pan prep, okay? So just fold this in and I'll come back then. And this is two 9-inch cake I'm baking. So I'm going to bake these for 60 minutes at 275 degrees. And when they are fresh from the oven, pierce as you see me doing here and drench with your red label and rum or red wine and rum, whichever available to you, but the rum is a must. And don't mind the crack, guys. You'll see that they seal up after drenching, okay? So catch you at the end of the video, guys. Now a step, you need to cover these so they absorb all that liquid that you just add. That's a great tip. You have to cover after drenching so it absorbs. So here is the finished product, guys. This is like 3 days in. Well drenched. Yes. And here is my first slice. It was delicious. Trust me on that one. So thank you for all my supporters. Appreciate you guys a lot. My old supporters, love you guys. My new supporters coming on board, thank you guys so much for joining me. Please just make it official. Tap the subscribe button and turn the bell on so you will get notified when I have a new upload. So Merry Christmas again, guys, and do enjoy. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.